How to create a checklist with working checkbox in your basically Excel or spreadsheet, right? How you can do it. So first of all, to do it right now, I just want to create a checklist here, the working checklist. So first of all, you have to turn on your developer option. So how you will turn it, basically in your Excel or spreadsheet, you won't be able to find this developer option. So first of all, go to view section here, right click here, click on customize ribbon, and here you will get this option of developer option. So make sure you turn this on. There should be a green tick mark here. Click on OK, and now you will find this developer option here. So first of all, I will select this box here and click on developer, go to insert, and there's a tick mark, basically a checkbox. Now you will see that my cursor has been changed, so I can just draw here. So first of all, I have to draw, and I can just customize exactly where I want it here. Now you will find that basically there's a word of check. So how you can just remove it? So first of all, you have to select the box, right click on it, or basically you have to right click here and click on edit text. Now we will just remove the word of check box one. Right now everything is okay. Now I just want to replicate this section, so I'll just click on the box, and basically I have to replicate here, and I will just drag it to the town. And right now you can see the checkbox has been created, and it's a working one. If I just normally click here, it's working properly fine. Right, so how you can do this. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.